And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we'll be doing an unboxing on a phone lot I bought off eBay. There's 3 of them. It cost me $12.50 with free shipping. So let's go ahead and see what we got. These are all untested. Most of the phones I buy are usually untested. I just kind of hope for the best, or I'll buy them for parts. I'll rip this open real quick. Okay. Alright, let me swap to my other knife because that one does not look very good. If I know where it is, that'd be a good idea. I have a whole bunch of unboxings I'm doing, guys. Here we go. Careful not to cut it. Because I have done that to a couple boxes before. Here is a Nokia with Alltel. Here is a Samsung case with a Samsung track phone device in here. I only bought this a lot because of this Alltel one. If you guys know, Alltel's like my favorite carrier, so I always, every time I can find an Alltel phone I don't have, I'll try to buy it. And then this one is a track phone device. It's LG. I don't think they have batteries in them. Let me see how this cover comes off. It slides up. Oh, this one has a battery. Oh, I got a battery as well. It just takes a normal Nokia battery. Well, I guess they all have batteries in them, so that's kind of cool. I guess we'll have to see if they work. I'll do an update on these ones as well. There's that unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.